How you doing, guys? Welcome back. Gonna have a really quick look at Spell, and I'm happy. I'm happy as Larry because this one proved me wrong. I think my last video, circa about 10, 12 hours ago, we were just about approaching the cloud, and from the pattern of how it was looking, I expected us to not get in. I expected us to either move in and move sideways and break through what looked like an open door, or to tail off and sort of consolidate underneath. And yeah, good. I like being wrong on occasion. So this thing must have been minutes after my video said, no, we're not listening to crypto fips. We're going now. So it did. And how far was that move? So from my last video to where it's just tailed off, nice 30%. Um, really good to see. Really good to see. Best move from Spell in well, I'm going to say a week or more. So what's just happened? We've wicked up to just over 7187. And as you can see here, we did have that as a previous support resistance, and we've been slightly rejected. So I'll just pull that into the 30-minute chart, see what it looks like. Means nothing. Let's pull it into the 50. Actually, let's pull it into the 5. All right. So yeah, quite literally, we hit it hard, and we have been rejected, but we're holding. So what to look for now is a period of consolidation and retest of this area before we move higher, and again some more consolidation and retesting, and we should have a move up to 008, 0083, and I think I'll have another video coming out by then, but I am going to mark that red because I think what's going to happen now, and sorry guys for saying it, I think we're going to need to, over the next couple of hours, come back and retest the cloud, and then from there we'll probably realistically have a move back up to 7-1, possibly through, and then attach on to what we're looking at there. So that's it, guys. That's the prediction. And worst case scenario, if this thing decides that it's kind of done, we could also fall back into the cloud and something like this, and then through the open door, retest and move. Now that I'm going to mark red because I can't see that playing out, and our prediction up here. Yeah, I'm going to mark that blue because I do think that we move higher with Spell. I think we've been down here long enough consolidating, and the fact that I thought we'd be held by the cloud, and the fact we've just shot straight off through it, found support and gone. I think we're gonna move a little bit higher, but do look out for a back test to the cloud. If we fall into it and stay there, could be a bad sign. But equally, if we have a little bounce from it, then look for the continuation. And we have got two areas of significant resistance coming up, and that's going to be at 007 and 008. But if we can get through those as quickly as humanly possible, we should be back up to the realms of ascent. Yeah, can't put time frames on it, but it'd be nice to see it happen sooner rather than later. Because if we just come out to the daily for a minute, Spell has been hanging around in no man's land for a while, over a week. It's unfortunate, but we did actually break down to 0049, and from there we've just been pulling up, which is great to see. This is going to be significant resistance. As you can see, guys, we've pretty much spent a week here, and then obviously when we didn't make it through, we fell off the table. So this isn't going to be an easy mountain to climb. If we can get above 7187 and use that as a foundation, it would be nice to see some consolidation above it, and then that will help us to get through 0084 and then 0095. But this 0084 is going to be massive resistance for us. It acted as previous support when we needed it to, and actually we used that to springboard for quite a nice move actually after a good bearish sell-off. and as such, it's going to be a hard one to break through. So short term, let's keep going. Let's fingers crossed it keeps moving upwards and onwards, and I'll come back and have a look at this one tomorrow. But just for one last final time, this 0084 is going to be a big old test. So I'm going to make that as big and bold as possible. I might even make that red. Alright, best of luck guys. Not financial advice, but I hope you enjoyed the video. See you on the next one. Take care.